Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, so first let's open up our settings, let's scroll down and let's click on Accounts and Backup. And let's begin with the Samsung Cloud. Click on Backup Data. If you want this feature to work, you need to have your Samsung account and you need to have you need to be logged in if you want this feature to work, but it's updating right now, the cloud, but now it's fine. Now click on Backup Data. Now simply select the things that you want to backup. And click on Backup Now. Now the process will start. Okay, all data backupped. Click on Done. And that's all. Now our backup is stored in the Samsung Cloud. Now let's go into the Google Drive. Click on Backup Data. Make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled. And when it comes to the things that will be backupped, in here you have a list. Now also make sure that you have some free storage space. And you need to remember this Google account, which is displayed on your device, of course, because on that account, our backup will be stored. So, for example, if you want to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to be logged in into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device. And now, once everything is selected, click on Backup Now. I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. Okay, and now, under the backup word, this thin bar appeared, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything went properly. So I'll see you once the backup is finished. Alright, the backup has been finished. You can see it right in here that it was made 0 minutes ago and the hours are the same. And also in here you can see that under the backup details you can see some information. Alright, so that was the Google backup. Don't even look at the transfer data for device setup because it only works with other Samsung devices, as I remember. But for example, if you're using other Android device and when you download the smart switch, you only can receive, you can only send data, but you cannot receive it. So it won't work. Let's go straight into the external storage transfer. Click on More and click on Continue. Click on More and Allow. And now you need to insert your SD card or connect a USB storage device. So I'll plug it in. Okay, just like that. Now it should appear on the screen. Here it is. Select Backup to USB storage or an SD card if you have one. Now we need to wait. Okay, 100%. Now select the data that you want to backup. I'll only select calls, contacts and messages. Click on Next, click on OK. Now the process will start. Okay, within seconds it should end. Alright, backup results 60 items, 2 megabytes. Click on Next, click on Done, and that's all. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.